So a quick one. Tax on houses. They call it Grundsteuer. This tax you have to pay directly to the government. It is about 14 to 16%, depending on the province, and 14 to 16% is the amount you bought the house. Okay, say for example you bought a house for 400,000, which means you're going to give the government 14% or 16% of the money you bought your house. Let's just say you bought a house for 400,000. You're going to give the government for, let's say, 14, 15, 16%. That should be about 60,000. My calculation may be right, may not be right, but up to like that. So most people forget about this part of it. It's not handable. You're not going to calculate it. You're not going to, it's just a fixed amount you have to pay the government for that. Then you have the, how they call it, Steuerberater. Not Steuerberater, they call it notar. The person who is going to do the notaria, the person who is going to do your paperwork. And then you have the makler, the person who, the seller of the house, Yeah. So this money, you can if you don't take care, you have to have about 70 to 80,000 standby. So you're buying a house, yeah, say 400,000. It's not like you're giving out 400,000. You're giving out about roughly 500,000. That should be very, very clear. And this tax for the government is not going to be argued upon. You can't argue upon. You have to pay. It's a must. So if you're buying a 400,000 euros house, you have to keep, in NRW, it's 14%, 14.5%. In other Bundesland, like other provinces, you have about 16%. So you have to keep this money separately to pay. Non-negotiable. Your makler cottage, your government tax, that is Steuer, nicht Steuer, Grundsteuer, and then you have your Notarkosten. Those are fixed cost that you have to keep. So you can just say you keep about 80,000 extra. So your house, in the nutshell, is not just for 400,000 purchase price. You still have the extra costs. So this is just for information for the people who want to know about buying a house in Europe or in Germany, to be precise. Don't think when a house costs 400,000, it's just 400,000. No, you have these other costs that you have to pay. It's a must. It's a must. Okay.